Most students in this video, I will go through some examples where I will apply concepts of continuous exponential growth. Alright, so the first question here reads, Heather invests $5,933 in a savings account with a fixed annual interest rate of 2% compounded continuously. What will the account balance be after 7 years? Okay, so these problems are not that creative, I have to admit, okay, but the purpose of these questions is to practice and develop the familiarity with using this equation. So I know that this value here, 5933, that is the starting, that's the initial. I know that 2% is my R, and 7 is my T. So with all that, I can now solve for the value after 7 years. So I got to go to my calculator. 5933, and then there's a handy e to the power of 0.02 times 7. So it'll be 6,824, 6824.57. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. JD invests a sum of money in a retirement account with a fixed annual interest rate of 2% compounded continuously. After 17 years, the balance reaches $6,540.03. What was the amount of the initial investment? So 6540.03, that is A. The p-value, that's my initial, that's what I'm trying to figure out. E to the power of 0.02 times 17. So P therefore is equal to 6540.03 over E to the 0.0217 times 17. 6540.03 divided by e to the power of 0.02 times 17. And that's 4655 approximately. Okay, moving on. Pranav invests $1446 in a savings account with a fixed annual interest rate compounded continuously. After 5 years, the balance reaches 1856.70. What is the interest rate of the account? So 1446, that's my starting. E to the power of, I don't know what that is, that's what I'm looking for. 5 years, and all of this will equal to 1856.7. So I need to get to that unknown exponent. So I'm going to divide both sides by 1446. So 5r. I want to take the natural log of both sides. And according to the power rule, the 5r comes out in front, and ln of e is 1. So therefore, r is equal to 1/5 ln of 1856.7 over 1446. And I want to enter that into the calculator. ln of 18, I forget the number already, 6.7 divided by 1440 And then times 1/5. 0.049999. So that's R is equal to 0.05 or 5% per year. Okay. Joe invests $8,693 in a savings account with a fixed annual interest rate of 7% compounded continuously. How long will it take for the account balance to reach 20,000? Woo. Okay, so 20,136.18, that is my final value. The initial value is 8693. E to the power of 0.07 to the t. So this is very similar to the last question, whereas before we were solving for the interest rate, now we are solving for the time. So I'm going to divide both sides by 8693. Take the natural log of both sides. And on the left-hand side, according to the power rule, that exponent comes out in front, and ln of e is equal to 1. So all I got to do, t will equal to t will equal to 1 over 0.07 times that. So I'm going to enter that into the calculator. ln 20, I forget the number, 136.18 divided by 8693 divided by 0.07. 12 years. And there you go.